Spark is an in-memory computation, means the data stored in the form of cache level. If we store the data in cache level, we can access the data very quickly. Okay, but in Hadoop, the data which is stored in the backend as a disk level, hard disk level. Okay, right. Spark is open source software. Okay, it's a free, and Spark is very speed, and it supports the real-time streaming process. It is one of the main advantage. Okay, and it is lazy evaluation. Means once if you done this your transformation, until if you apply the action, then only our transformations will be executed. So if you do not do the actions, so your transformations will not be executed. That is the purpose of the lazy evaluation. And Spark supports the multi-languages, Scala, R, Python, SQL, right? And Spark supports the partitioning, means we can divide our data into multiple machines. Okay. And fault tolerance, if there is an issue